Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your PS4. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is open up your PS4 and of course log in. From this point we're going to be clicking up on our D-pad or our analog stick and we're going to be coming to the settings option on your PS4 right here. Once your settings opens up, what we're going to be doing is scrolling all the way down to the bottom menu here and we're going to be looking for initialization. If we click this, we will then have a couple of options here. We can clean the learning directory, we can restore default settings, or we can initialize the PS4. In this case, the option we're going to be looking for here to fully reset our PS4 is initialize PS4. And here again, once we click this open, we will have two options. We will either have quick or we will have full. So if you're going to be selling your PS4 and you would like to remove all data and make sure it can never be restored by anybody, it is recommended to do the full process, but just note this can take hours of time. It is not quick by any means. However, if you'd like to do a quick initialization just to wipe your data or remove all the user information, a quick initialization of your PS4 will be much quicker, and in today's video that's what I'm going to be doing. From this point, once you select it, you'll then have to confirm this one more time by coming to the right, clicking initialize. It will then say deactivate. You'll then have one more pop-up to confirm that you actually want to initialize your PS4, and then it will say restarting the PS4, do not unplug, and your PS4 will go through the initialization process. Just note again, depending on if you chose quick or full, this can take a couple minutes to a couple of hours, so you may have to be a little bit patient here for all the data to be removed, and it'll be fully reset, and once you turn it back on, it'll be like setting up a brand new PS4 again. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to factory reset and remove all data from PlayStation 4. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.